Welcome to the Mindful Driving Meditation. Driving can be a time of stress where we often go on autopilot and sometimes even experience a little bit of road rage. Driving can be a time where our mind wanders and the next thing we know, we wonder how we got from point A to point B. But driving can also be an opportunity for us to reconnect, refocus, and bring our attention not only inward, but help focus our attention on what we're doing, driving. You may try this practice seated in a parking lot first, or in a chair at home, in a quiet neighborhood, or somewhere where you feel comfortable and familiar behind the wheel first. Mindful driving can help you feel and be less distracted. It can help you make yourself a better driver, a safer driver. Consider starting this practice before you actually begin driving. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat. Notice and feel the points of contact between your body and the seat, your feet and the floor, your hands and the steering wheel. Take a moment and let's take 3 deep breaths. Think about these breaths as sniffing the flower and blowing out the candle. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and sniff the flower. And take a deep breath out through the mouth and blow out the candles. Sniff the flower. Blow out the candles. One more time, sniff the flower and blow out the candles. Reconnect and feel the points of contact one more time between you and the seat, your feet and the floor, your hands and the steering wheel. Now, if you're ready to begin driving, as you prepare to turn the key, start the engine, move your hands with the steering wheel, shift, look over your shoulder, communicate internally and externally in any way. Be very alert and aware to the sensations around you and the thoughts within your mind. See if you can direct your thoughts solely to the task at hand. If you're backing up, only focus on backing up. If you're changing lanes, only focus on changing lanes. Now, no matter what you do, we always want you to be safe. The goal of this practice, the goal of paying attention and bringing awareness to what you're doing right now, the task at hand, is to help you eliminate stress and distractions. Driving is one of the practices that we often multitask with the most. And so I want you to reduce the amount that you multitask by staying alert and aware of your body, the sensations within your body, the thoughts, and what it is that you're doing, driving. Let's take 3 more nice deep breaths now. Sniff the flower and blow out the candle. Again, sniff the flower and blow out the candle. Last time, staying alert and aware, sniff the flower and blow out the candle. As you look out through your windshield, notice what's in front of you without making judgment or paying criticism to anything that you're seeing. Just notice. Be mindfully aware of how your mind may wander once you notice things. Notice how your mind may bring up past events or experiences, past conversations. Maybe even your mind goes back and replays certain events when you pass a landmarker or you see a familiar car or vehicle, or you read something on a billboard. And instead of letting your mind move in that direction, I want you to shift your mind back to what you're doing, driving. And as you pay attention, as you catch yourself going down that road, acknowledge and then come back into your lane. And so as you read that billboard and think about a time that someone said something to you or something happened, I just want you to acknowledge that and come back to the road in front of you. Come back to your breathing. Come back to the sensation of your body and your seat, your feet and the floor or pedals, and your hands and the steering wheel. Come back to the present moment. Let's take 3 deep breaths again. Inhale through the nose. Let's sniff the flower. And exhale, let's blow out the candle. Sniff the flower and blow out the candle. Sniff the flower and blow out the candle. Continue to be alert and aware to your driving experience. You don't need to pay attention to anything special. Simply pay attention to the art of driving. Alert to the sensations, experiences, and events around you, but staying very conscious in your body, in your breath, in this moment. Notice the cars, the noise and noises of driving, and anything else that may arise. And instead of reacting to these things, these events, these circumstances, stay present, alert, and aware. Breathe. Let's take 3 deep breaths again. Inhale, sniff the flower. And exhale, blow out the candles. Inhale, sniff the flower. And exhale, blow out the candles. Last time, inhale, sniff the flower. And exhale, blow out the candle. As we continue to build our awareness and work on staying present, alert, and aware while driving, let's do a little practice. Think of this as the noticing practice. The next sound or sensation, the next object that you hear or see or experience, when you hear it or see it in your head, just note that you saw it. Let's say you turn on your blinker to change lanes and you hear it. Just say in your head, blinker. And then bring your awareness back to what you're doing, changing lanes. If you hear a car passing you, say to yourself, car. And then continue with your awareness. If you hear, see, and notice rain against your windshield, just say to yourself, rain, and then continue to focus on the task at hand, driving. If you have thoughts in your head, just notice thoughts. But I'm driving, and bring your awareness back to driving. When you turn on the awareness button and you notice any movements, sounds, sights, or feelings in the body as you drive, just continue to offer kindness and love towards yourself and those around you. This noticing practice allows us to not go down the rabbit hole where we bring up past experiences. We bring up hatred or resentment, stress, anger, fear, which are all based on past experiences, things that we heard or thought. They may not even be ours. And they shift lanes. They take our awareness away from what we're doing, which is driving. Driving is a meditation. And as you continue to notice and be aware, if you happen to see another driver, consider offering a phrase of loving kindness and say to that person, may you drive with ease. Be safe. And notice how you feel when you respond to somebody else out on the road, driving just like you, with loving kindness instead of stress, hate, resentment, or fear. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, sniff the flower. Exhale through the mouth, blow out the candles. Sniff the flower. Blow out the candles. One more, sniff the flower. And blow out the candles. Continue to be present, aware, alert while driving. Continue to breathe. Continue to bring your sensations and awarenesses into the present moment. The seat beneath you, your feet to the floor or pedals, your hands to the steering wheel, and your eyes attentive and alert to the road in front of you. This practice is now complete. May you drive with ease.